Are you tired of your wispies? How they're always in your face? So annoying. And you're way too scared to cut them, but you really want them gone? Well, fear no more, because we are here to help. Say goodbye to the awful headbands. And introducing Magic Hair Glue. It's the easiest product on the town. And it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's totally not poison. See? I'm totally trustable ad personnel. Here are some of our satisfactory customers. My hair's on fire, it's burning. That must be other products, right? Right, Jimmy? Yes, okay. Well, this is how you apply Magic Hair Glue. Yep. You said this was stressful. I mean, yes, so vegan, so healthy. Here is our client before. And I'm sure this can't be us, right? Right? My beautiful hair is now burned to a crisp. Ow, ow. My head really